Hey guys! Today I'm gonna do a more chill get ready with me. I have like natural sunlight here, but I'm not sure if I should turn on a little bit of the ring light. A little bit more stable with the lighting. If you wanna see more of like my personal life, please go follow me on my Instagram. I always update my Instagram stories, and every day I will have a new piece of content on my Instagram as well. So go ahead and engage with me and like my pictures. Today's video is gonna be a little bit longer, so sit back, relax, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so today I'm just gonna do a very natural everyday makeup for you guys, something more simple. I don't want to be too like extreme with the technique because this video is supposed to be chill and just like, you know, lazing around. I don't want to be too stressed out too, so yeah, I'm gonna grab my green apple. Okay, so first off, I'm just gonna moisturize my face. Today, my face is a little bit dry, so I'm using this green tea serum by Innisfree. I bought this in Korea, and this is the holiday limited edition. The one I bought, it's really a big bottle. I tried this a few days ago and I really like it. I'm not sure if you guys tried this before, but this is like the cult favorite for like Korean skincare. So it's like a watery serum, and they smell amazing. If you're going out, please wear your sunscreen. I always wear this Biore UV Aqua Rich, but today I'm going in with the Aloe Soothing Sun Cream by COSRX. I heard a lot of good things about it. Right off the bat, right, I feel that it's a little bit thick on my face. Feels like it will be a little bit oily, but we shall see how it settles on my skin. Maybe it'll melt in a bit. This bag of things, I usually like bring it on the go because sometimes if I stay over, I usually want to have like some makeup with me. So I'll show you guys everything that I use and how I use them. Okay, so this is the Ordinary Serum Foundation. It's very watery and I really love how it looks on my skin. The best thing is that it blends into your skin so easily, even with your fingertips. So this is the Ordinary Serum Foundation. Mine is in the shade 1.2 YG, yellow undertones with gold highlights, and this one has SPF 15 in it. It's a very lightweight foundation and it's very watery. It blends into my skin so well. Okay, so I'm using this Fit Me compact powder to blot my face a little. And all these items that I'm using are all drugstore products. I think all these products that I'm using are really great. I'll just link them down below in my description box. I highly recommend you guys to listen to podcasts because some podcasts are really quirky and funny, and it can like lighten up your day if you're really down, or if you need a motivational push, or you need something more lively, more relatable, which is called Imperfectly Perfect. Or I'll also listen to Optimal Living Daily, but that one can get a little bit boring. So I mean, you can just find out like what you guys like to listen to. Like I'll just put some recommendation down below in the description box. The other one that I quite like is by Ingrid. She's also a YouTuber. I really like it when they talk about women issue, for example, like health issues like PMS, periods, healthy sexual life, blah blah blah. I'm gonna bronze up my face and put on some blusher with this e.l.f. Duo. This one is a perfect dupe for the NARS Laguna and Orgasm. And nice. I will also link the product details down below in the description box. You can get this at Dorsal Beauty as well. Singapore, it's pretty difficult to get e.l.f. products in the drugstore. I also have a discount code for Dorsal Beauty, so remember to look at the description box. I like to warm up my face a little bit more on my usual days because I like to look sun-kissed. This one is in Fiji, I think. Alright, I look very tan right now, and then I'm gonna go in with contouring my nose with this as well. I'm usually quite lazy and I don't want to bring too much products for a stay over, so I'll just usually multi-use this kind of thing. So I'm going in with highlight. These two are my favorite drugstore highlighters. They can also be bought at Dorsal Beauty as well. One is in Blush Gems. This one is a little bit more pinky, and then this one is in Moonlight Pearls. I'll just swatch it for you guys. It's a very subtle luminous glow, as you guys can see. It doesn't show much when you apply it on your skin, but once you hit the sunlight, oh my god, nice and subtle. Not very blinding, but I like how it looks under the sun. so I always go for this. I'm using the highlighter brush from JS as well. Going in with this highlight. Ooh. Can you guys see it? I love it when it hits the sun. So for my blush and lips, I'm gonna use this product by Nude Sticks. I want to try all their products, but it's actually pretty expensive for just one pencil like that. This one is the Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil Crayon in Belle. I really love this color. It's a very nice mauvey color. Wipe it off a little. So it's just a nice wash of color. And then I'll just put some here. So this is my usual look, and then I'll go in with my eyes. So I'll show you guys my mascara and like how I make it look. Pyong pyong! Okay, so for my mascara, I'm gonna use this by L'Oreal. It's a Butterfly Waterproof Lashes, and then I'm gonna start off with curling my lashes a bit, just a tiny bit, and then I'm going in with the heated eyelash color. This one, it's the 24 Hours Glide On Eye Pencil by Urban Decay. I'm just gonna go in to line my waterline. I've already lined my eyes with this too, Combi. It's a very faint line. Okay, we're done with this. Now we're just going in to curl my lashes, and that's it for the day. So it's a little bit hot right now, it's heated up already, and all you have to do is just do this. Done with my look. If you like it, remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, as well as to click onto the bell notification right beside the subscription button, and also don't miss out on any new uploads on my channel. And also reminder, I'm always posting on Mondays and Fridays.